Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact bottom navigation frame and confirming pinned elements. This ensures constraints work predictably. Once selected, inspect each layer, icons, background, hit areas, and remove extraneous groups that break auto layout. Make sure the parent frame uses a fixed width or responsive constraints depending on your design. You do this because constraints drive how the bar behaves across screens. Once done, turn on the layout grid or rulers to visualize spacing and alignment before changing constraints. Now you convert the nav container to auto layout to control distribution and spacing. This prevents items from overlapping when the frame resizes. For each icon, set horizontal constraints to left, center, or right as needed, and set vertical constraints to center so icons stay vertically aligned. Apply a fixed height to the bar and consistent padding, typically 16 to 24 px, or a safe area offset for phones with gestures. Doing this lets elements maintain proportion and spacing as the parent resizes. Finally, pin the navigation frame to the bottom of the parent frame or enable fixed position when scrolling for prototypes so it stays visible. Preview at multiple widths and toggle device frames to verify behavior. Adjust spacing or switch child items to stretch or center if they jump. If something still breaks, reset offending layers constraints, ungroup nested frames, and reapply auto layout from scratch. This clears hidden overrides. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect each layer's constraints in the right panel. A single incorrect constraint often causes the whole bar to shift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.